Hi guys, we're here changing the headlights of a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. So I'll show you two ways how to do this. So the manufacturer has made this little hatch down here to get up into the car. However, this is more difficult. The light would be all the way up in there. So we're not going to do that. We're going to be taking apart the car, take the air filter out, easy access, and we'll be able to do this in no time, about 15 minutes estimated time. All right, so we really need to start with disabling the air filter here. So first what you want to do is take off this here, like that. There's also another air filter here that you want to unpull here. It comes right out. From there, there's just two little latches down here. Just undo it. Easy as that. Take off the lid. So that's step number one right there. Next thing you'll do is just take out the actual air filter itself. Okay, and once you get out the air filter, all we'll have to do is really take out the whole box itself. So the whole box also comes with this little piece here. What you want to do is just take it, and it's on these little hinges here. Should just lift off fairly easily. Might need to put a little muscle behind it. So just give it a little wiggle, and it's out. Now I just need to finagle this out. Alright. So that was the toughest part, really. So once you have the air filter totally out, everything along with it, the actual headlight is right here, and there's a little cap as well. So we'll want to really just take off that cap to get to that headlight. So it's just a little screw itself. Perfect. So now I got that out. Now for the actual light itself, it is that little blue icon right in that section for the headlight. So we won't be able to show you exactly how to do that. All you have to do is counterclockwise turn, and then it will pop right out. Fairly easy. So that is counterclockwise turn, and then it will pop right out. So then this is what you have for the light. It just unclips, fairly easy. Clip on your new one, and when you put it back in, you want to just put it right back in to the headlight socket and do the same thing. So you put it in and then you turn it. You turn it clockwise, push in, turn clockwise, and it will lock. So it's just a little bit of a finagle here, because it is a tight squeeze. Once you're in, turn clockwise and lock, and then you're good to go. So from there, we changed the headlight of a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Also the same thing for other models all the way up to 2019. I'm gonna turn my lights on. And we are working. So now to really just put in the pieces that we took out, it's much easier. All right, so we want to start with the actual little cabin itself. So this is just a little finagling. Get it in here. And then you'll want to get it right on those little screws that it was on before. So again, a lot of wiggling. All right, got one in, got two. Just working to the third. And we're good to go. Air filter And the top part. Put on all aspects here, and clip it back in, and you're done.